Ever wondered how to keep track of your gardening adventures? Ever heard of garden journaling? Welcome to the world of documenting your green thumb journey. Garden journaling is a powerful tool helping you monitor plant growth, tackle pest problems, and refine your techniques. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your gardening skills over time. Getting started with garden journaling is easier than you might think. At its core, garden journaling is all about observation, reflection, and growth. Let's start with the first step: choosing a journal. This could be anything from a dedicated gardening notebook to a simple spiral-bound pad. The choice is yours, so pick something that feels comfortable and inviting. Next, make regular entries. Record the date and note down what you've planted, how the plants are growing, and any changes in weather. Did it rain today? Was it unusually warm? These small details can provide valuable insights over time. Now here's where you become a detective of sorts. Keep an eye out for any signs of pests or disease. Documenting these issues early can be crucial in managing them effectively. And finally, reflect on your successes and challenges. Did a particular plant thrive in your garden? Did something not go as planned? It's all part of the learning process. Remember, the key to successful garden journaling is consistency. Make it a habit and you'll soon see the benefits. Garden journaling can truly elevate your gardening experience, giving you insights that you might have missed otherwise. It's more than just jotting down notes. It's about capturing the magic that happens in your garden and learning from it. It's a rewarding journey of discovery, growth, and continuous improvement. So why not start your garden journal today? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening and journaling!